welcome to RM Studios Action News. Sitting behind the golden RM Studios microphone, I'm your anchor, Woodrow, but I don't have a paddle. Our top story today, in the world of science, something new is being added to the periodic table. Designated by the letters AH, it is, of course, the element of surprise. In other news, a man named Jesus, who is reported to have claimed to be the King of the Jews, was put to death the other day. Things, however, did not turn out the way that one would expect. Reports say that this is not the end of the story, so now we go to our on-site reporter, Ali Oxenfree, who is sitting with a witness to this amazing turn of events, which happened 3 days later.
Thank you, Woodrow. I'm Ali Oxenfree, and we are here on a phenomenal story. Here in the scene in Jerusalem, we're here talking to Mary of Magdala, and she has got a phenomenal story. Mary, tell us about your story.
Hi, Mom! Hey, so this is how it went. So some of the girls and I, we were going to go to the tomb, and we were going to take spices and all that kind of stuff to put on Jesus's body and everything. So we go to the tomb.
Who is this Jesus?
He's my friend, Jesus.
Okay, what makes him so remarkable about this story?
Because he's my friend, and he healed me.
He healed you? Can you tell me a little bit about that story?
I had demons.
You don't say.
I did. And you know what he did? This is what he did.
Whoa. The hair.
No, I have to show you.
Okay.
So this is what he did. He went,
Oh.
come out!
Wow, that's so nice. Oh, yes.
That's what he did.
Come out.
Yes.
And what happened next?
They all left. All of them. Every
don't
single
say.
one. And I'm a normal person now.
As normal can be.
I'm normal.
So tell us what happened next, Mary.
So then we go in to the tomb where Jesus' body was. Well, let me tell you, back up just a little bit. So there, when I got to the tomb, this huge stone was rolled away.
Rolled away? So we have rocks rolling.
No, just the stone. It was huge. An angel could sit on top of it.
You don't say.
Yes, and there was an angel there. And you know what he said?
Tell us.
He said, the person that you're looking for is not here anymore. He has risen.
This is Jesus.
Yes. And so we go in the tomb, and there was nothing there. Jesus' body was gone. Gone.
Where did he go?
Well, let me finish the story.
Did someone steal his body?
No. He rose from the dead.
How do you know?
Because his body wasn't there, and then when we came out, there was a gardener there.
That's a pretty remarkable claim, Mary. And what was a gardener doing at a tomb?
Well, it just wasn't any gardener. It turned out to be Jesus. He was just seeing what we were doing, and if we would believe that it was him.
Wow, Messiah by day, gardener by night.
No, he's Messiah, period.
But isn't he sort of a gardener of souls?
Yes. Yes, you could say that. But let me
Beautiful.
Let me just tell you, he rose from the dead, and then I just said, Jesus, I love you, but I gotta go tell everybody. And so he was counting on that. So I flew back to the disciples, John, and all the guys, and Peter, and I'm like,
oh yes, that group of ruffians that the Pharisees have been talking about. The tax collector and the fisherman.
The dudes, yes, the guys. Okay, so then I go back, and I'm like, you guys will not believe what just happened to me. And they were just like, oh yeah, right, Mary, whatever. And so I told them the story that the stone was rolled away and that Jesus was gone, and all there was this material draped over where he laid, and they didn't believe me.
Pretty phenomenal story, Mary. I'm waiting to see what happens next.
Well, I convinced those guys to come with me to the tomb. and Jesus wasn't there. And you know what happened? Then Jesus appeared to them, and then he appeared all kinds of different places in the whole town for 40 days. 40 days, and he ate, and we had a great time with him.
Wow, you've heard it here. Straight from the tomb area here in Jerusalem. I can't wait to find out part 2.
He's alive!
I
Jesus
can't wait to see.
is alive.
I can't wait to see what
He's
happens.
alive.
Will you come back and tell us the rest of the story?
Yes, because you'll never guess what happens next. I mean, the sky splits and everything. I can't tell you all of it right now. Yep.
That's where we find it interesting. Phenomenal, Mary. Phenomenal, Mary. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Ollie.
Back to you, Woodrow.
Thank you, Ollie. Well, that's all we have tonight for RM Studios Action News. I'm your anchor, Woodrow, but I don't have a paddle. Have a great evening, everyone.